are you? I'm Kimm Brown, and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. Who am I? I am a wife. I'm a mom. I am a full-time working woman, and yet I still have my time for my business, and I have time to look fabulous, feel fabulous, and take care of myself. Whether that is through skincare, color, cosmetics, or just healthy habits. I'm Kimm Brown, and I would love for you to check out my channel. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya.